Good morning. It is day 8. I had another 8-mile day today, and walking along the river. So I got fortunate today. I'll be able to see Spain on my left, but I'm gonna stay in Portugal until I get to Valencia. And I'll cross over into Tui, and then I will be over into Spain. So another 2 days left in Portugal before I go over into Spain. Look how beautiful that is. And I just came from way down there. I mean, this is my view here. But I had an option to walk along the river, and I have that a lot today. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Whew. That's just crazy, because this is somebody's entryway to their home. There's 2 reasons that I love these little tunnels. One is because I don't have to play Frogger across the road. And 2, you never really know what you're gonna see when you get to the other side until you come out. In this section, you had an opportunity to either take like more through the villages or to go along the river walk. And I absolutely loved along the river. There was a lot of little park areas that had benches to take breaks and picnic tables. And not only just the view, look at the view. I mean, look at the flowers that are growing from a plant in the river. This is the outside entrance of the hostel I stayed at. The first green area had clotheslines that you could hang your clothes out. And then this is the entrance, had some tables outside. You can opt for a bunk room or a private room. And it actually has like a feeling of a hotel more than a hostel, but it is a hostel by name. I did take a video of my room. I do not know what happened to it when I went to play it back, but this is the lobby area. It included breakfast. It had a communal kitchen that we were able to use. You could use laundry. I did have a private room with 2 twin beds and my own bathroom. And I will put the name of where I stayed and what I paid. This was the lovely view outside of my window.